Welcome to the first episode of the DJP coaching tutorials. In this one, I'm going to be showing you a quick trick that you can use on your vocals to make them sound lush. So I'm going to show you the vocal by itself.
You are my shining star.
And then I'm going to show you it with the other vocal layered over the top.
You are my shining star.
So this makes your vocal sound way more powerful, especially in my case when you had one vocal take and you didn't have enough time to record the harmonies over the top. This makes it sound way better in the mix, way more full, and saves you a lot of time fiddling with one vocal take or copying them over and it just sounding terrible. So what I've got is a carrier track, which is literally just a normal synth. I think we've got an ES line here. It's basically just a normal synthesizer. Yeah, but very standard, and it's just playing the basic chords of the track throughout. So this track's muted, and then on the backup vocals I have a vocoder set to external, and then the carrier track, so carrier I've named it, and then when the chords are playing, it will play the chords through the vocal. I'm not sure of the exact terminology, but so let's say the chords aren't playing, the vocal just won't play even if the vocal track is here. So this is what the vocal sounds like by itself. Yeah, so you can hear the vocal, the chords, sorry, underneath the vocal, just layered, like almost playing through the vocal. That's the best way I could describe it. So yeah, that's how you make your vocals sound way fatter, way more powerful with one simple trick and literally stock plugins and a vocoder. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.
You are my shining